Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. You need to start with the chapter points, lines, and segments. The lessons we're going to cover today are lines, line segments, and rays, lengths of segments on number lines set 1, additive property of length, and midpoints. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I am on grade 10 math. The chapter we are on right now is points, lines, and segments. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is lines, line segments, and rays. What is this line, line segment, rays? Which is the correct option? Okay, so what is this line, line segment, or ray? So that is a line, right? You have an arrow on both the ends. That means it can be extended on any side, right? So it never ends. That is a line. Got it? What is this? Again, that's a line. Let's just start with the test questions. What is this line, line segment, rays? Which is the correct option? That is a line segment. The correct option is line segment. What is this line, line segment, ray? Line, it is. The correct option is line. That's a ray, right? It can be extended in one side, so that is a ray. The correct option is ray. What is this line, line segment, ray? Which is the correct option? The correct option is line. That's a line. What is this line? Line segment re. The correct option is re. What is this line? Line segment re, which is the correct option? Line segment it is, right? What is this line? Line segment re. Re, it is the correct option is re. What is this line? Line segment re. Line is it is. What is this line? Line segment re. Line segment. Yes, line segment it is. What is this line? Line segment re, which is the correct option? Line. Line segment it is, right? What is this line? Line segment re. Ray. The correct option is ray. What is this? Line segment ray. Line segment it is. What is this? Line segment ray. Line it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is length of segments on number line set 1. Okay, what is the length of EF? So you can see the coordinate of the E is 26, the coordinate of F is 28, right? So you can see here the distance from 26 to 28 is just 2 points, right? The other way is you can use the distance formula. The distance formula is you need to subtract their coordinates. F is at 28 and E is at 26. So 28 minus 26 is 2. So the length of EF is 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the length of KL, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 1, right? The distance between KL is, sorry, the length of KL is 1. What is the length of EF, which is the correct option? Yes, the length is 2. The correct option is 2. What is the length of GH? Yes, the length is 1. The correct option is 1. What is the length of PQ, which is the correct option? the correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the length of GH, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1. What is the length of GH, which is the correct option? 1. The length of the line is 1. What is the length of EF, which is the correct option? The length is 2. The correct option is 2. Length of KL. అవునా Yes, 1. It is the correct option is 1. What is the length of CD? Yes, 2. It is the correct option is 2. What is the length of EF, which is the correct option? 2 it is. The correct option is 2. The correct option is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is additive property of length. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's start with the example. If QR equals 20 and RS equals 11, what is QS? Here is QR. That length of QR is 20 and the length of RS is 11. You need to find the length of QS, right? So you can see here basically QS equals QR plus RS, right? So that means if you add QR and RS, you can have the length of QS, right? So that is 20 plus 11 equals 31. It is right. The correct option is 21. Let's just start 31. Let's just start with the test questions. If EF equals 6 and FG equals 12, what is EG? So basically, EG is equal to from here to here, that is EF, and plus from here to here, that is FG. So EF is 6 and FG is 12. So together they make 18. That means the length of EG is 18. The correct option is option number 2. 18 it is. Got it? The correct option is 18. If PQ equals 13 and QR equals 16, what is QR, which is the correct option? PR equals PQ plus QR. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 29. 16 plus 13 is 29. The correct option is 13 plus 6 equals 19, right? JK equals 6 and KL equals 13. So you have to find the length of JL, and JL equals JK plus KL. So you need to add 13 plus 6 is 19. So the correct option is 19. If RS equals 20 and ST equals 15, what is RT, which is the correct option? The correct option is 35. Option number 2 is the correct option. If UV equals 16 and VW equals 14, what is UW, which is the correct option? The correct option is 30. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? If QR equals 20 and RS equals 11, what is QS, which is the correct option? The correct option is 31. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? If RS equals 20 and ST equals 16, what is RT, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 36. It is right. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is midpoints. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so now we're going to calculate the midpoints of the lines, right? Let's just start with the first example, that is, what is the coordinate of the midpoint of EF, right? So you let's just see how do we find the midpoint, right? The coordinate of E is 73, right? And the coordinate of F is 77. Midpoint is exactly the one that is half of both the points, right? So if you can see, this is exactly the midpoint, right? But you can calculate by adding their coordinates. You need to add 73 plus 77 divided by 2, right? That is 150 divided by 2 equals 75. So look, this is the midpoint of E and F. Got it? Because on the line segments, that's easy to find the midpoint, right? So you don't need to use the formula. But if you are given a line segment, you can find it easily, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the coordinate of midpoint of VW, which is the correct option? V, the coordinate of V is 9. For W, it is 11. So exactly the midpoint is 10, right? You can see this one is the midpoint. The correct option is 10. What is the coordinate of the midpoint of BC, which is the correct option? guess that is 89. The correct option is 89. What is the coordinate of the midpoint of QR, which is the correct option? The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the coordinate of V? What is the coordinate of the midpoint of VW, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is the midpoint of the VW. What is the coordinate of midpoint ST, which is the correct option? That is 29. The correct option is 29. What is the coordinate of midpoint CD, which is the correct option? The correct option is 90. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is the coordinate of midpoint PQ, which is the correct option? 39. It is the correct option is 39. What is the coordinate of midpoint GH? The correct option is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the coordinate of the midpoints of RS, which is the correct option? That is 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is point lines and segments. The lessons we have covered today are line, segments, and reels. Length of segments on number line set 1. Length of segments on number line sets 2. You can do it this lesson on your own. Additive property of length and midpoints. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the session. That would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.